pizza with WTI. This cardigan by Spicy Sandia has become one of my favorites. I love how well designed this cardigan is. It's beautiful and I love this camel color, even though it comes in a variety of beautiful colors. You can wear this cardigan with a skirt whenever you go to work or to any meeting, or you can also wear with something more casual like jeans, and it'll give it that touch of elegance you are looking for. I really appreciate that this is long, that it has long sleeves, and it gives me that extra layer I need since I'm always cold. I really like how beautifully designed this is. This is a very soft material, and these gold buttons give it that extra elegance. I really like the back of this cardigan since it has this stitching back waist belt that gives you a beautiful figure. Not only is this cardigan very stylish and fashionable and versatile, but the quality, it's just great. I give this cardigan a 10 out of 10. So if you're looking for comfort, for high quality, and something very versatile, I highly recommend this cardigan, and that is my point of view.